In this video, I will explain the process of setting up and configuring the Salesforce NetZero Cloud. I will go over the permission set licenses, profiles, and show you exactly how to activate NetZero Cloud in your Salesforce org. Welcome to the channel. My name is Neeraja. I hope this video will be useful. Let us get started. First, let us confirm that our org has the necessary permission set licenses. We must recall what they are. A permission set license gives users access to the features which are not included in the user license. Now, where do we find this information? From setup, in the quick find box, enter company information, permission set licenses, and confirm that your org has NetZero Cloud license and one of the analytics licenses. Now, what are these analytics licenses? Let's have a look. NetZero Cloud permission set license. Obviously, it gives access to the NetZero Cloud features. The analytics base 3 apps and base 5 apps are the other licenses which are available depending on what NetZero license you have. Base 3 apps is available with NetZero Cloud starter license, whereas base 5 apps is available with NetZero Cloud growth license. Now, both these licenses have limitations when it comes to the access to analytics apps. The third license is CRM Analytics for NetZero Cloud, which is available with the add-on. Now this license, it gives full access to CRM Analytics. It gives access to full platform capabilities. So users with this license can create custom analytics apps and dashboards. However, this is not possible with base 3 apps and base 5 apps permission set license. As a system admin, you are going to configure the NetZero Cloud in the org. So assign yourself these permission set licenses. From setup, enter users. Select the admin user. Go to permission set license assignment. And make sure the NetZero Cloud license and one of the analytics licenses is enabled for you. If it is not, click on edit assignments and enable the licenses for yourself and save your changes. The next step is to create profiles. You will find a separate video on NetZero Cloud profiles on this channel. Make sure to check the link in the description box. There are two profiles in NetZero Cloud: NetZero Cloud Manager and NetZero Cloud Auditor. Once the profiles are created, we need to give them access to the app. And how do we do it? Under setup, in quick find box, enter App Manager. Select the NetZero Cloud app. This is my demo org. Click on edit. Go to user profiles and make sure you add the NetZero Cloud Manager, NetZero Cloud Auditor, and the system admin to the selected profiles and save your changes. It is now time to turn on NetZero Cloud in the org. In the quick find box, enter NetZero. Click on NetZero settings and make sure to enable this setting. We have now activated NetZero Cloud in our Salesforce org. Hopefully this video was of value to you. If you have enjoyed watching the video and found it useful, please consider to give it a like and possibly subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.